Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the No Wi-Fi Networks Found issue in Windows 11. We'll go through several proven solutions, starting with the easiest fixes and ending with a complete network reset if needed. So let's get started. Start by opening the Start menu, searching for Services, and launching the Services app. Scroll down until you find WLAN AutoConfig, then double-click it to open its properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply, followed by OK. Next, open the WLAN AutoConfig properties again and check the service status. If the service isn't running, click Start, then select Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, locate WLAN AutoConfig in the services list once more, right-click it, and choose Restart. Once the service has restarted, check the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar to see if nearby wireless networks are now visible. If you still can't find any Wi-Fi networks, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. Change the View By option to Large Icons, then open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings, find your wireless network adapter, right-click it, and select Properties. Click Configure, then open the Advanced tab. Depending on your Wi-Fi adapter, you may see bandwidth settings. If those options are available, set the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands to Auto. If you see a band selection option, change it to All bands. Save the changes and check whether your computer can now detect nearby Wi-Fi networks. If the problem still isn't resolved, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, choose Reset Now, and confirm by selecting Yes. This will reset your network configuration and remove your saved Wi-Fi settings. After the reset is complete, restart your computer. Once Windows 11 starts again, check the Wi-Fi icon to see if the available wireless networks are now showing. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.